to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing low light video from the DJI Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 9 Black. One of the first things that you notice when comparing the images from both cameras is stabilization. This is done on both cameras, but on the GoPro Hero 9 Black you have a lot more shakiness than on the DJI Osmo Action. The GoPro Hero 9 Black does that to reduce the amount of motion blur on the images, but I think that the DJI Osmo Action finds a better balance here. In conditions where you have really scarce light, I think that the images from the GoPro Hero 9 Black are way too dark. I think you can see that very well on the following examples. Although none of these small cameras is amazing in low light, I think that the DJI Osmo Action is better on this point.